A very good morning to everyone. Bitcoin is making headlines again. After a strong rally, thousands of investors are asking the same question. Is it too late to buy Bitcoin or is it just the beginning? Some people believe Bitcoin could reach new all-time high. Others want that another major crash could happen at any time. So before you invest a single dollar, let's break down what's really happening, why Bitcoin is rising, the biggest risk, and whether buying now makes sense. Firstly, Bitcoin is the world's first decentralized digital currency. Unlike traditional money, it is not controlled by any government or central bank. There will only ever be 21 million bitcoins, making it a scarce asset. People buy Bitcoin for different reasons: as a long-term investment, to diversify their portfolio, as a potential hedge against inflation, or because they believe digital assets will play a bigger role in the future. Now the question is, why is Bitcoin rising again? Several factors are helping drive Bitcoin higher. First, lower inflation. When inflation cools, investors often become more willing to buy riskier assets like stocks and cryptocurrencies. Second, expectations of lower interest rates. If interest rates fall, borrowing becomes cheaper and investors may move more money into investments, including Bitcoin. Third, institutional investors. Large investments firms and financial institutions have increased their exposure to Bitcoin in recent years, bringing more money into the market. 4. Limited supply. Only 21 million bitcoins can ever exist. When demand increases but supply remains limited, price can rise. 5. Positive market sentiment. When prices rise, more people become interested. This often creates a cycle where increasing demand pushes prices even higher. But here's the risk. Bitcoin is also one of the most volatile investments. Its price can rise rapidly, but it can also fall 20%, 30%, or even more in a short period. Many new investors make the mistakes of buying only because everyone else is talking about it. This is called FOMO, fear of missing out. Buying during excitement without a plan can lead to significant losses if prices suddenly reverse. Now the question is, should beginners buy Bitcoin? There is no single answer that fits everyone. Before buying Bitcoin, ask yourself, can you afford to lose this money? Are you investing for the long term? Can you stay calm during large prices swings? Do you already have an emergency fund? If the answer is this question is no, it may be better to strengthen your financial foundation before investing in highly volatile assets. Now, instead of trying to guess the perfect time to buy, many long-term investors use a strategy called dollar cost averaging or DCA. With DCA, you invest a fixed amount at regular intervals regardless of whether price high or low. This reduces the impact of market volatility and removes the pressure of trying to time the market. It also wise to diversify your investments rather than putting all of your money into a single asset. So should you buy Bitcoin now? If you believe in Bitcoin's long-term future, understand the risk and invest only money you can afford to keep invested for years, it may be worth considering as part of diversified portfolio. But if you are buying only because the price is rising or because everyone else is talking about it, you may be making an emotional decision rather than an informed one. Remember, the goal is not to get rich overnight. The goal is to build wealth consistently through disciplined investing and smart financial decision. What do you think? Will Bitcoin reach a new all-time high or is another correction coming? Share your thoughts in the comment. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification for more videos about personal finance, investing and building long-term wealth.